Tonight we turn to news in one specific way that artificial intelligence technology is changing our world, and it is absolutely remarkable.
This next breakthrough is a lot deeper, all the way down to the very tissue of our brains, where researchers have used AI to translate brain scans into text.
Meta has just announced an artificial intelligence that reads thoughts, transforming the world of technology and medicine. This incredible innovation offers hope to those with neurological conditions by opening doors to new possibilities for them. Join us as we explore how this AI is set to change lives and what it means for the future. Meta's new development, modern neuroprostheses, can help people who can't speak or move to communicate again, but these devices require surgery, which can be risky. However, this is where Meta comes in, presenting a safer, non-invasive way to understand how sentences are formed by looking at brain activity. According to Meta, they have tested this method on 35 healthy volunteers and found it works well. So they created a new deep learning system called Brain 2 QWERTY that can decode sentences using either electroencephalography or magnetoencephalography. While participants typed short sentences they remembered on a QWERTY keyboard. Brain 2 QWERTY is a special neural network that can understand sentences based on brain activity captured by EEG or MEG. In the study, participants typed out sentences they had memorized on a QWERTY keyboard while their brain activity was monitored. This new method is different from earlier ones because it doesn't need users to concentrate on outside things or pretend to move. Instead, Brain 2 QWERTY uses the natural movements involved in typing, which could make it easier to understand what the brain is doing. Using magnetoencephalography, the Brain 2 QWERTY system has demonstrated a significant advancement in brain-computer interface technology, achieving an impressive average character error rate of 32%. This performance is notably superior to that of electroencephalography, which has a higher CER of 67%. For the top-performing instances of the model, the CER can be reduced to as low as 19%, showcasing its potential for high accuracy in decoding brain signals. One of the remarkable aspects of Brain 2 QWERTY's performance is its ability to accurately decode sentences that were not included in the training data. This suggests a level of generalization that is crucial for practical applications, as it indicates that the model can understand and interpret a broader range of thoughts and expressions beyond what it has explicitly learned. Although it's liable to make mistakes, the nature of the mistakes also points to the involvement of more complex reasoning functions, suggesting that the act of typing is not merely a mechanical task, but one that requires higher-level thinking and planning.
Basically a model that has been trained with over 15 hours of data per person to take in their brain activity when they're sitting in an MRI scanner and to spit out the story that they're listening.
Collaborative research. Before coming up with Brain 2 QWERTY, Meta embarked on an ambitious collaboration with international researchers to unveil groundbreaking insights into human intelligence through two significant studies. These studies focus on the development of advanced artificial intelligence models capable of interpreting brain signals to reconstruct typed sentences and to gain an understanding of the reasoning processes that transform our thoughts into spoken or written language. The first of these studies was conducted by Meta's Fundamental Artificial Intelligence Research Lab, located in Paris, in collaboration with the Basque Center on Cognition, Brain, and Language, situated in San Sebastian, Spain. This innovative research has demonstrated the remarkable ability to decode sentences directly from brain recordings without the need for any invasive procedures. The researchers employed sophisticated techniques such as magnetoencephalography and electroencephalography to monitor and analyze brain activity from a group of 35 healthy volunteers as they engaged in the task of typing sentences. The system developed through this research comprises three integral components, which are an image encoder, a brain encoder, and an image decoder. The image encoder is responsible for generating detailed representations of images independently of the brain's input, effectively creating a visual framework. Following this, the brain encoder plays a crucial role by correlating the MEG signals captured from the participant's brain activity with the previously generated image representations. This correlation allows for a deeper understanding of how specific brain signals correspond to particular thoughts or ideas. Finally, the image decoder takes the processed brain signals and translates them into a realistic image, effectively visualizing the thoughts that the participants were attempting to express. This pioneering work not only sheds light on the intricate relationship between brain activity and language processing, but also opens up new avenues for exploring the potential applications of AI in understanding human reasoning. By bridging the gap between neural signals and linguistic expression, Meta and its research partners are paving the way for future advancements in both neuroscience and artificial intelligence, with the potential to revolutionize how we communicate and interact with technology. The findings from this groundbreaking research are truly remarkable. The AI model developed by the researchers has demonstrated an impressive ability to decode approximately 80% of the characters typed by individuals whose brain activity was monitored using magnetoencephalography. This level of accuracy is at least double that of traditional electroencephalography systems, which have been the standard in brain activity measurement. The implications of this research are profound, as it could pave the way for innovative, non-invasive brain-computer interfaces. Such technology holds the potential to significantly enhance the quality of life for individuals who are unable to speak, providing them with a means to communicate effectively once again. In addition to the first study, the second research endeavor explores the intricate processes by which our brains transform thoughts into spoken or written words. By employing advanced AI techniques to analyze the MEG signals recorded while participants engaged in typing out sentences, researchers were able to pinpoint the precise moments when abstract thoughts evolve into concrete words, syllables, and letters. This aspect of the research sheds light on the reasoning mechanisms underlying language production. The findings reveal that the brain operates through a series of representations, beginning with a broad understanding of a sentence's meaning and progressively refining these representations into specific actions, such as the coordinated movements of fingers on a keyboard. Furthermore, the study highlights the concept of a dynamic neural code, which the brain utilizes to maintain connections between these various representations. This dynamic coding allows the brain to keep each representation active for an extended period, facilitating the seamless transition from thought to action. Even though the technology shows great promise, there remain numerous challenges that must be addressed before it can be effectively implemented in hospital settings. Possible challenges and solutions. One significant challenge is the current limitations in how the technology decodes information. The process is not yet perfected, which can lead to inaccuracies in interpreting brain signals. Additionally, patients must remain extremely still while undergoing scans, as the procedure takes place in a specialized room designed to block out external magnetic fields. This requirement can be particularly difficult for certain populations, such as children or individuals with movement disorders. Moreover, the magnetoencephalography machine itself is quite large and comes with a hefty price tag, making it less accessible for many healthcare facilities. The machine must also be housed in a room that provides protection from the Earth's much stronger magnetic field, further complicating its integration into existing medical infrastructure. In response to these challenges, Meta is actively working on more solutions in their ongoing research efforts. They are focused on enhancing the accuracy and reliability of the decoding process, which is crucial for the technology to be trusted in clinical applications. Additionally, the company is exploring alternative brain imaging methods that could be more practical for everyday use, potentially allowing for easier integration into routine medical practices. Another area of focus for Meta is the development of advanced artificial intelligence models capable of interpreting complex brain signals. By improving AI's ability to understand these signals, researchers hope to unlock new insights into brain function and enhance the all-round effectiveness of brain imaging technologies. Furthermore, Meta aims to expand its research scope to encompass a wider variety of cognitive processes. This broader approach could lead to innovative applications of the technology in diverse fields such as healthcare, education, and human-computer interaction. For instance, understanding how people think and process information could revolutionize educational tools and methods, making learning more personalized and effective. While it is clear that more research is necessary before these advancements can provide tangible benefits for individuals with brain injuries, the progress being made is encouraging. Each step taken brings us closer to the goal of developing artificial intelligence that can think and learn in ways that are more similar to human reasoning. This could ultimately lead to breakthroughs that not only enhance our understanding of the brain, but also improve the quality of life for those affected by neurological conditions. While Meta is still in the process of enhancing its project, it looks like they have a competitor already. Neuralink's brain chip. Neuralink, a neurotechnology company founded by entrepreneur Elon Musk and a dedicated team of engineers and scientists, is at the forefront of developing advanced brain-computer interface technology. The primary focus of the company is to create a sophisticated brain chip that can be surgically implanted within the human skull. This innovative device has the potential to significantly improve the quality of life for individuals with various disabilities, enabling them to regain the ability to move, communicate, and even restore lost senses, such as sight. The brain chip developed by Neuralink is designed to read and interpret brain signals, allowing for seamless communication between the brain and external devices, such as computers and smartphones. By translating neural activity into actionable commands, the chip could empower users to control digital devices with their thoughts, opening up new avenues for interaction and independence. One of the most promising applications of Neuralink's technology is its special implant, which is currently being tested to enable paralyzed individuals to control digital devices solely through their thoughts. This groundbreaking capability could revolutionize the lives of those with spinal cord injuries, providing them with unprecedented autonomy and the ability to engage with the digital world in ways that were previously unimaginable. As part of their clinical research efforts, Neuralink has announced plans to include 3 patients in a trial aimed at assessing the safety and efficacy of their brain-computer interface. This trial is expected to be a lengthy process spanning several years, as detailed in the U.S. government's clinical trials database. The outcomes of this research could pave the way for future advancements in neurotechnology, potentially leading to life-changing solutions for individuals with disabilities and contributing to our understanding of the human brain. To show how much progress they made, last year Neuralink managed to implant their device in a second patient. This patient has been using it to play video games and is also learning how to create 3D objects. If you've made it this far, let us know what you think in the comments section below. For more interesting topics, make sure you watch the recommended video that you see on the screen right now. Thanks for watching.